back with another recipe on today. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make these bacon wrapped scallops. One of my favorite seafoods. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna start off by seasoning my scallops with kosher salt, fresh ground pepper, and Old Bay seasoning on both sides, seasoning to your taste. Next, you want to cook your bacon done enough where you're still able to roll the scallop in the bacon without it crumbling to pieces. Once your bacon is done, you wrap each scallop individually in one strip of bacon and stick a toothpick through the side to hold it together. Lastly, you want to add 1 tablespoon of butter to the bacon grease, and you want to place your scallops in the pot and you want them to cook. I did mine about 3 minutes on each side, and that was done enough for me. You don't want to undercook them, but you don't want to overcook them either. That was so quick, easy, and simple, and they came out wonderful. Like, they cooked perfect on both sides with the 3 minutes on each side. As you can see, that white, tender, juicy meat, honey, it's the scallops for me. Yes. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload. And I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.